Good morning, students. Class 6 Science Lesson 5, and today is our topic, why do we separated substances? To remove unwanted things. At times, unwanted things are found mixed with a useful things. For example, small stones are often found in the food grains. Food grains containing stones cannot be used as food. We therefore separate stones from food grains. To separate useful substances. In nature, most things occur as a mixture. At time, a mixture may contain more than one useful things. Milk and petroleum are two such mixtures. Milk fat, ghee, and milk solid, mostly containing proteins, can be separated from fresh milk. Similarly, petrol, diesel, kerosene, tar, and several useful chemicals, petrochemicals, are separated from petroleum. Petroleum, petrol, diesel, kerosene oil, tar, and petrochemicals. It is obtained by petroleum. Separation of solids. Hand picking. In our day-to-day life, unwanted materials mixed to food grains, pulses, and other food items are separated by hand picking. You have seen the diagram. Weeds from spinach are hand picked before it cooks. Bird pick grain mixed with the soil. Stone are hand picked from rice before cooking. Next topic, sieving. Sieving, another name is filter. Sieving is used to separate solid substance from differ in size. For example, rice flour is sieved to separate any large particles including weevils, a kind of insect found in food grains, from it. Sieves are mostly made from a wire mesh or metal plate with holes on it. The size of the mesh or the holes depends on the size of the substance it is used to separate. Did you know heavy metal sieves are placed on drainage opening on roads to prevent solid waste from entering the drainage system during rainy season? You have seen the diagram like this. Next topic, winnowing. Winnowing is an age-old method of separating chaff from grains and pulses. It is an extremely simple, cheap, and effective method of separating lighter and heavier solid substances from a mixture. Chaff is the an outer covering of the seed pod. It is lighter than the seed. When a mixture of light and heavy solid substances is dropped from a height, wind carries the lighter substances away, thus separating the lighter and heavier materials in a mixture. Nowadays, winnowing is also done by machines. You have seen this women have separate the grain and chaff. It here the wheat and here the chaff. and it is done by the air. Next topic, threshing. When paddy, wheat or mustard crops are ready, the stalks are cut and dried in the sun. The dried stalks are beaten to free the grains from the stalks. This process is called threshing. Nowadays, machines called threshers are used in separate grain from the stalk. So you have seen the thresher machine. Thank you, student.